foam rolling the glute min and glute med with a lacrosse ball. Start by finding your glute med first. This is the muscle that runs along the back and outside of your glute max. You can abduct your leg to feel where the muscle fires underneath your thumb. I can feel the muscle kind of stretching and contracting as I move my leg in and out. So from there, place the lacrosse ball into where you felt that muscle firing and lay on your side on the muscle. Lower yourself to your elbow first and gently roll further onto the muscle. Often you can feel this pressure running down the whole outside of your leg. There are nerves in there that innervate the whole outside of your leg. So just go a little bit easy until you feel comfortable with the movement. It's fairly intense. So once you find a good positioning, you can either lay down fully onto your side, or if this doesn't feel like it's hitting deeply enough, you can bring the ankle of the leg that you're laying on to cross over the upper knee, which is intense. Makes me shake, it makes me start sweating. It is so tight in there. Yow. So if that's too much, just take it on back down and lay out. I am flushed. That was so rough. So if you have tight hips, this is a really, really great way to start loosening them up. If you feel low back pain, sacral pain, this is a great place to start. This is foam rolling the glute min, glute med with a lacrosse ball.